In today's video, I'll show you how to format headers and footers in LibreOffice Writer so your document looks clean and professional. Start by opening LibreOffice Writer and loading your document. To activate a header or footer, go to the top menu, click Insert, then hover over Header and Footer. Choose either header or footer, then select the page style you're using, usually default page style. This enables that section for all pages using the same style. Once the header or footer area appears, click inside it and begin typing your content. You can use the standard formatting toolbar to change the font, size, boldness, and alignment. For example, you might center a title in the header or right align page numbers in the footer. Anything placed here will automatically repeat across pages with the same style. For more detailed formatting, right-click anywhere in the document and choose Page Style. In the dialog box that opens, go to the Header or Footer tab depending on which one you're editing. Here, you can adjust spacing to control the distance between the header or footer and the main body text. Enable AutoFit Height if you want the section to expand automatically based on content, or disable it to set a fixed height for a consistent layout. You can also adjust the left and right margins specifically for the header or footer. This allows you to control alignment inside that section without affecting the main document margins. If you want visual separation, use the borders or area options in the same dialog to add a subtle line or light background color. Keep these elements minimal to maintain readability and a professional look. After making your changes, click OK. Your formatted header or footer will now apply consistently across all pages using that style. That's how you format headers and footers in LibreOffice Writer for a polished and organized document layout.